Hello students, our chapter number 3 is over here. Now we have to start chapter number 4. Which chapter? Chapter number 4. Our chapter number 2, 3 practicals also over. Now we have to do chapter number 4 practical. Our fourth lesson practical is rotation on a specific path. You can see rotation on a specific path, and we can do it by using beeline tool. Which tool? Beeline tool. I have already created beeline tool, and you can see circle is rotating on this fixed path. Which path? Fixed path. Clear? We have to do this practical in our lesson number 4. Clear? Rotation on a specific path. Rotation on a specific path. You can see circle is rotating on a specific path. Clear? Circle is rotating on a specific path. How can I do it? How can you do it? First of all, we have to open our Synfig Studio. Clear? Synfig Studio. First of all, open your Synfig Studio. Now create a small circle. First of all, you have to create a circle. Clear? Select circle tool. Which tool? Circle tool. Now draw simple small circle. Clear? My circle is draw. Now next step is select beeline tool. Now you can see SP line tool. Which tool? SP line tool. I have new version of Synfig Studio, that's why you can see SP line tool in my screen. If you have old version, then there is no problem. In Synfig Studio old version, beeline tool is there. Which tool? Beeline tool. જૂના વર્ઝનમાં beeline tool છે અને ન્યૂ વર્ઝનમાં SP line tool છે. Clear? So both are same. Beeline tool and SP line tool both are same. Clear? So select SP line tool. Which tool? SP line tool. Now you can see in tool option layer. Which panel? Sorry, tool option panel. You can see tool option panel, SP line tool. Clear? Now in tool option panel, you have to select create a outline layer. Which layer? Create a SP line outline layer. Clear? Select on it. You have to select create outline layer. You can see mouse cursor is changing. Clear? Mouse નું cursor change થઈ રહ્યું છે, change થઈ ગયું, plus આવી ગયું. Now next step, you have to draw a specific path. Now SP line tool, I mean beeline tool means what? Number of points, any number of point, any number of curve you can create by using beeline tool. Clear? Any number of point, you can see more than one number of point, you can see more than one curves, you can create it by using beeline tool. Clear? So you have to create a specific path. You can create any type of object, you can create any shape of object, you can do it by using SP line tool, but condition is that you have to stop your beeline point at the first position. You have to stop your beeline at its first point. Which point? First point. આ beeline tool ક્યાં end કરવાનું? જ્યાંથી શરૂઆત કરી ત્યાં end કરવાનું. Clear? Now right click on it. Right click on its first point, beeline first point. You can see loop SP line. I have SP line tool, that's why you can see loop SP line. If you have beeline, then you can see loop beeline. Which tool? Loop beeline. Clear? મારી પાસે SP line છે એટલે loop SP line આવે. Clear? Now click on loop SP line. Clear? Click on loop SP line. Now next step, you have to select transform tool. It means arrow. You have to select this transform tool. Select transform tool. Clear? જેવું select કરશો તેવું layers panel માં new SP line outline layer add થઈ જશે. થયું? Now next step, select circle layer. Which layer? Circle layer. It is a layer panel. Which panel? Layers panel. In layers panel, you have to select circle layer. Right click on your circle layer and select new layer. Clear? Inside new layer, you have to select transform. You have to select transform. Inside transform, you have to select rotate layer. Which layer? Rotate layer. જેવું rotate select કરશો, you can see rotate is added in your layers panel. Clear? Rotate layer is already added. Now next step, Now next step, you have to select this rotate and circle both layer at a time. You have to select this rotate and circle both layer at a time. How can you select both layer at a time? Simply click on this control key. First of all, click control key and select both layer at a time. Clear? With the use of control key. Which key? Control key. With the help of control key, you can select both these layer at a time. Clear? Now next step, you can see there are two ducks. You can see there are two ducks available in your canvas screen. First duck is for circle and second duck is for spline. First duck you can see in green color, it is for circle layer, and second green line duck you can see it is for spline. So you have to keep both these duck together. Clear? You have to keep these both duck together. Clear? Now next step, you have to select circle, only circle layer. Which layer? Circle layer. Clear? Now click on with the help of control key. With the help of control key, you have to click this duck, circle duck. With the help of control key, you have to select this duck. Clear? Now next step, you have to select new B-line tool. I mean spline tool. If you have B-line, then you can see B-line on your screen. I have spline, that's why you can see new spline tool. So you have to select spline tool. Circle is already selected. Now next you have to select spline with the help of control key. If you want to select both layer at a time, then you have to use control key. Which key? Control key. If you want to select two items at a time, then you have to use control key. Clear? Now you can see I have selected circle and new spline tool, both layer at a time. Now click on this B-line tool, any point of B-line tool. You have to click any point of your B-line. Click on any point. You can say link to spline option. Which option? Link to spline. Now click on link to spline. Whenever you are clicking link to spline, your circle is, you can see your circle is on this B-line tool path. Circle એની જાતે જ આ B-line tool ના path પર આવી જાય. Now next step is you have to turn on your animation editing mode. Clear? Now next step, I want my animation for 5 seconds. How many seconds? 5 seconds. So simply write on your current timeline bar 5. How many times? 5 seconds. Clear? Now we have to place our circle. We have to place our circle on 5 seconds. We have to fix our circle position. We have to fix our circle position. Clear? Now position of circle at 0f. Position of circle at 0f. So simply select on 0f. I want my circle here. Position on 1s. I want my circle here. Position of my circle at 2s. I want my circle here. Position of my circle at 3s. I want my circle here. Position of my circle at 4s. My circle, I want my circle here. And position of my circle at 5s, means last 5 seconds. I want my circle here. Now click on play button. Now simple click on your play button. Your circle is rotating on a specific path. You can see your circle is rotating. Now next step is preview. You can see a preview button. So select preview button and you can see preview option. Select preview. You can see preview window is open. Now click on play button. Your circle is rotating on a specific path. Clear? Your circle is rotating on a specific path. Again you can see, click on a play button in preview window. Your circle is rotating in a specific path. So your next practical, that is rotation of circle on a specific path. Next step, that is you have to save your practical. So select file menu. Inside file menu you have to select save option. Which option? Save option. Click on your save option and give your file name. My practical is already saved, Synfig animation 11.sifz. Now next step, that is rendering your image. So click on your render image, render button. Here you have to write GIF instead of PNG, and here you have to select GIF in target. Now render. Click on render. Now your file is rendering. You can see your file is rendering. You can see whole path of your file, that is desktop, Synfig Studio, Synfig animation 11.gif is rendering. Now your file is rendering. You have to wait till file renders successfully. So you have to wait for some second. Your file is rendering. You can see in your status bar rendering. Clear? So we have to wait for rendering GIF image. Our file is rendering now. We have to wait for some time. File rendered successfully. You can see, close your window and open your Synfig Studio folder. In Synfig Studio folder you can see Synfig animation 11. You can see Synfig animation 11.sifz and animation GIF image. Clear? You can see our circle is rotating on a specific path.